In this video, I'm going to show you how to cite in Overleaf. Now this is actually very simple, just follow along, okay? I've created a blank document over here that's completely empty, and I'm going to show you how to cite in here. However, it works the exact same way in case you already have a document and are trying to cite something. Now, all you have to do is first position yourself somewhere inside the document. I'm going to position over here, and then what you want to do is click New File up here first. In here, what you want to do is create a file which is going to be named whatever you would like. So let's say I'm going to name it citation 1. There we go. And then you want to change the .tex to .bib. This is very important. So the left portion, so before the comma, can be whatever you want. So whatever you want to be the name of it. And then after the comma, you want to have bib, so bib. Once you've done this, you want to click Create. And then we're going to look for a bibtex kind of citation to add to it. Now this sounds complicated, but it's really not. All you have to do is click citation1.bib, so what you just created up here on the left. It will open up a blank page basically. Then what you have to do is find an article you would like to cite. So for me, I found this article in Google Scholar about volleyball, and as you can see, it's about volleyball injuries. What you have to do is simply click Cite over here, or find it on your website where you found your article, and click Cite, and look for this bibtex kind of title or heading. You want to click on it, and it will open up this completely pretty much empty site in your website, which has a bunch of code on it. What you want to do is simply copy that code, right click, so highlight, right click, copy, and then go back to your Overleaf and just paste it in the first line over here inside the bib file. Right click, paste. There we go. That's it, and we've done the first part. Then what you want to do after that is click back to main.tex, which is our main paper over here. And then what you want to do is first simply type in whatever you want. So let's say this is a reference I found, or something like this. And then what you want to do is do a backslash, okay? And you can get a backslash by pressing your Alt key on your keyboard and then 9 plus 2 on your keypad, so Alt and 9, 2. There's the backspace, as you can see. And you want to type in cite and then click on this first one, which gives you these kind of brackets, okay? Click it, and then in here automatically your citation we just put inside the bib file will be given over here. You want to click it, and there we go. You're done with the first part. Then you want to click enter. As you can see, this will kind of change its appearance. That means it's working perfectly. And then what you want to do is go a few rows down, or however many you want, and then you want to type in another backslash. Excuse me, made a mistake. There we go. And you want to type in bibliography, or just bib, and look for bibliography. Click on it, and as you can see, it will already give us a suggestion while you place your kind of mouse pointer in here, and it says citation 1, which is this one we're looking for, and we want to cite. You want to click on it. There we go. Then you can press enter, and you can see this has worked perfectly. What you then want to do is create a kind of another row up of this, so above this bibliography, and then you want to again make a backslash and type in bib, and then you want to click on this which says bibliography style, okay? You want to click on it and then change it, or type inside the middle of these brackets plain, okay? And once you've done this, you're pretty much done. All you then have to do is click recompile up here, or press Ctrl and S to kind of save. And as you can see, we've now got this reference over here. So it says this is a reference I found, and there's one, and then the references are listed at the very bottom of the page, which is this volleyball injuries article, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you cite in Overleaf, or how you add references in Overleaf. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.